Hey everyone, welcome to Financial Terms 101, where we make sense of the sense. If you've ever felt like trading is a club with its own secret language, you're not alone. Today we're cracking the code on some key terms. Ask, bid, and the ever-mysterious spread. So buckle up and let's dive into the financial jargon jungle. Let's start with this disclaimer. Everything here is for educational purposes only. You are responsible for your own actions in the markets. First up, we have the ask price. Imagine you're at a garage sale and you see a funky lamp you like. The price tag? That's the ask price, but in trading, it's the lowest price someone's willing to sell their stock for. So, if you're buying, this is your number to beat. It's like the seller is saying, "Hey, I'll part with my precious Apple stock for $150. Take it or leave it." Moving on to the bid price. Now, this is what buyers are willing to pay. Think of it as your turn to haggle at the flea market. You might say, "I'll give you $148 for that fancy lamp, stock." The bid is your best offer on the table, hoping the seller bites. If you are getting value, hit the like button. We really appreciate your presence with us. Subscribe and be a part of this journey. Now, what about the spread? This isn't your everyday sandwich spread, folks. In trading, the spread is the gap between the ask and the bid. So if our ask is $150 and the bid is $148, our spread is a cool $2. This little gap tells us a lot about the stock. A tiny spread, it's party time. Lots of buying and selling action. A big spread, more like a lonely desert where buyers and sellers hardly meet. Why do these prices dance around, you ask? Well, it's all about the mood in the market. More sellers than buyers? Watch that ask price drop. More buyers? The bid price might climb. It's like watching a seesaw where everyone's fighting for a turn. For those new to the trading game, keep your eyes on that spread. It's like watching the weather before a picnic. It helps you pick the perfect time to trade. And remember, buying low and selling high isn't just a good life philosophy. It's how traders make their dough. And before you go thinking this is too much, remember, every trader started somewhere, and you've got what it takes to crack these codes. And maybe even crack open that piggy bank. For more tips, tricks, and giggles about trading, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon. Who knew learning finance could be as fun as binge-watching cat videos? Until next time, keep trading smart and laughing hard.